on to your hats, tech enthusiasts. The world of gadgets is evolving at lightning speed, and this week's lineup of new releases is nothing short of mind-blowing. From cutting-edge audio gear to innovative accessories, we've got a treasure trove of exciting products to explore. But here's the kicker. Not all of these gadgets are created equal, and some might just challenge your preconceived notions about what's possible in the world of technology. This week, we're diving into a diverse array of new products that are sure to pique your interest. Bose, for instance, has just unveiled its latest QuietComfort Ultra Headphones, promising an even more immersive audio experience. But is it worth the upgrade? We'll let you be the judge. Meanwhile, Technics is shaking things up with two new entry-level direct drive turntables, the SL-40CBT and SL-50C, which boast a sleek, modern design and impressive features. However, some audiophiles might argue that these models sacrifice performance for aesthetics. What's your take? As we delve deeper into this week's releases, we'll also explore Arcam's updated A5+, A15+, and A25+ integrated amplifiers, which now support aptX lossless and LE audio. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these upgrades truly necessary, or are they just a marketing gimmick to entice consumers? We'll leave that debate to you. And let's not forget about Sony's budget-friendly IER-EX15C in-ear headphones, which offer a compelling alternative to wireless options. But at just $30, are they too good to be true? From Lenco's high-end LBT-515 turntable to Goldmund's jaw-droppingly expensive Telos 670 integrated amplifier, this week's lineup is a testament to the incredible diversity of the tech world. And this is the part most people miss. Amidst all the hype, it's essential to ask ourselves, do these products truly represent the future of technology, or are they merely a fleeting trend? As we wrap up our exploration of these 12 cool new gadgets, we want to hear from you. Which product are you most excited about, and why? Do you agree with our assessments, or do you have a differing opinion? Let's get the conversation started.